Hi guys, the school year is almost here, and here in Calgary, children from kindergarten to grade 12 have to wear masks to school. We've got plenty of masks that we ordered online, buy in stores, but I thought it would be a really fun activity to make our own mask. Luckily, the City of Calgary has a very comprehensive guide how to create your own mask at home with your kids. It's a part of the Ready Squad program, which we have been a part of last year, and you can check out our video from last year up here. And today, as a part of this Ready Squad program, we will be making our own mask. I will leave the link in the description to the guide, and I have it right in front of me. I will show you in a second. All we need to create our own mask is an old t-shirt, just some measuring tape and scissors, and we just went to Michael's and got some fabric paint because we didn't have any, just to make it more interactive and more fun, and for Tessa to recognize her own mask when she goes to school. So I'll just show you everything in a second. So here we go, we got our instructions ready. An old t-shirt that neither of them will wear, so we won't be sad when we cut out a piece of this t-shirt. We've got scented fabric paint that we picked up at Michael's. It was only about $3 today, and yeah, we like the colors and everything. We'll need to figure out what the girls want on it. We've got scissors, a marker, we've got measuring tape somewhere, and we're good to go. So step one, we need to measure 18 to 20 centimeters from the bottom of the t-shirt. I picked 18 because Tessa's got a pretty small face, she's only 5, and we're gonna cut off the bottom of the t-shirt, 18 centimeters of it. So this is what it looks like when I've done some of the cutting. These will be the strings for behind the head and behind the neck. And now we're going to create a 3-layer protection. And all we need to do for that is to fold these parts in. I can't do it with one hand. I'm gonna have to put the camera down and I'll show you the end result. And here is our model ready to demonstrate the finished result. Can you turn around so we can see how it fits? It's great 3-layer protection, and turn back around. And you made it. You made it yourself, how cool. All we have left to do now is to use this fabric paint to decorate, and Tessa has picked a very nice thing she wants to put on her mask. What do you want?
Rainbow!
You want a rainbow. We're gonna do a rainbow. I really like the idea to encourage the participants to choose positive expressions for your masks, such as, we're all in this together, it's good to see you, and my favorite one, you can't tell, but I'm smiling. I really love that. So the paint we've picked is scented. What does this smell like?
It smells like super sweet strawberry.
Nice. Do you want to try? So we're gonna make one rainbow up here and one rainbow down there. So this is what we got. Looks pretty good, and with this particular paint we need to leave it this way, lying flat, for 4 hours, and after 72 hours you can even wash it, and it looks pretty cute.
And then you do it again?
No, we're just gonna wait until it's dry, and then you can try it on.
And then wash it?
Wash it if it's dirty. And then Anais decided that she wanted a mask as well, so we made a little watermelon mask for her. How cute is this? So now we need to leave them to dry for another 4 hours, and then we'll try them on. It's been 4 hours. The masks are dry now, the paint is dry. It looks shiny, but it is dry, I checked. So I can't wait for the girls to try them on. I really enjoyed the idea of making our own masks. Obviously, you can go to any shop now, and every shop is offering different types of masks, something that you can attach behind your head, behind your ears, all types of masks. But actually creating something together with them, preparing them for school, was pretty special. And we even talked about them feeling like as if they were superheroes fighting COVID-19 as a bad guy. That was pretty fun, and I just wanted to show you the result. Great job on your masks, guys. Can I see the rainbow on that side for you?
Pretty.
Looks so cool. Good job. You ready to fight the virus?
Yeah.
Show me, Tessa.
Fight! 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 Fight!
You are ready. If you want to create masks like this with your kids, go ahead and click on the link in the description to this video to the City of Calgary website for the Ready Squad program. There is so much to choose from. You can create your own masks, you can make your own soap, and you can play fun games about social distancing. All of it is up there on the website, so give it a look. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see you all again next time.